But first, let me tell you a little story. A few years ago, I decided to gift my grandfather a digital photo frame. I felt like a really good granddaughter, and he loved it. Grabbed a USB drive, put in 10 photos, and there it was. But years later, as many of you have experienced, my poor grandpa is watching the same 10 photos on rotation over and over and over again. Now, Nixplay, they create beautiful digital photo frames, and they're integrating with the library API to hopefully help me fix this issue. Let me show you how it would work in this context now. To get started, we would create a shared album in the Nixplay app, and they can do this because they're integrated with the library API. You can also pick an existing album you have in Google Photos, but let's go through a new album creation flow. So you can invite people, your friends and family, to collaborate in this album. And then you can select that album to be the main one you want displayed on the frame. After that, it's simple. As friends and family add photos to that album, they'll automatically be displayed on the Nixplay frame you have in your home. So I did put this to the test, and I connected my grandfather's Nixplay app to my shared album that I already had with him. I put photos in there when I'm thinking of him or missing him as I travel the world or just sitting at home in San Francisco. So once we connected it up, as I decided to share photos with my grandfather, he has a front row seat to these moments in his home all the way in Delhi without having to do any extra work.